Hey guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing CardClan, a tool that claims to make messaging more engaging with dynamic digital cards. It's a deal that's pretty easy to understand. CardClan lets you make meaningful connections with your customers, colleagues, and community members with personalized digital cards delivered right to their inbox. What they're gonna do, you're gonna create a beautiful digital card and you're gonna send to your friends, boss, colleagues, the love of your life, etc. It's an alternative to group greetings, Sandozo, and Punch Bowl. The deal is pretty solid and I'm gonna show you how it works. You're gonna get all future Crazy Card Guy plan updates, and with one code you get 50 cards per month and 500 unique email recipients. With the double one, you get 100 cards and more unique email recipients and also more team members, more workspace, and 2 custom email accounts. So it's a deal to get at least 2 codes. I bought one, I'm planning to buy the second one. But the better one is the 3 geo code, because then you're gonna get the white label, CNAME, and agents branding with more workspace and more custom email accounts. You're gonna use your custom email accounts to send the cards from your email. Okay, so I think it's better because then there are no CardClan branding, and also you get your CNAME. So the better deal here would be the 3 codes deal, but also with 2 codes you get custom email accounts, which is pretty good as well. If you buy more, you're gonna get more cards per month. If you buy 6 codes, you get unlimited unique email recipient, and if you have unlimited everything with a lot of custom emails, team members, and workspace, and unlimited cards and unique email recipients, you need to buy at least 7 codes. I would say the deal is to buy at least 2, and the main thing here would be to buy 3 to have also the CNAME and agents branding. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the CardClan websites. So here are their websites. There are more than 100 companies using CardClan to build better relationships. So Content Studio is using it, Proactive Healthcare Recruiters, HappCamper. So that is the CardClan main website. I'm gonna sign in to show you the app. Here's the dashboard, and the first thing I'm gonna show you is the workspace. So each workspace would have your branding. If you buy more codes, you have more workspace. And on billing, you can see the number of unique recipients that you can use and the number of cards per month. And it will be refreshed monthly. To start to use the deal, it's pretty simple. You just click here to create new cards, and you can design your own cards or use one of their many templates. I'm gonna show you some of them. So there are thank you cards, Halloween Eve, Easter Eve, Get Well Son, and you're gonna tell me, oh, but I want to send a card to someone with another language. Can I do it? Yes, because you can design everything on Canva. The tool has a full integrated Canva that you don't even need a Canva subscription to use it. So it's pretty nice. Let's say you want to send cards to your best friends. Okay. So here is the first page. I used a template, but you even can change the cover, selecting another template or designing on Canva. It's pretty good, that Canva integration. So you can use the many Canva posters. It's gonna open on the right tab of Canva with the right template to use on CardClan. So that Canva integration is awesome. And you can change your cover. And here you're gonna start to write to your best friends. You are awesome. You helped. You are awesome here. Okay, I want to make it like that. Let's add here. Perfect. And then I'm gonna add a third page to write to them. Blah, 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 blah. You can add effects to your text. Okay. Blah, 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 blah. All right. And then you can change the background using Pixabay, Unsplash, uploading an email, or designing on Canva. Choose that background here. Okay, blah, 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 and another background. I'm gonna put it here. Okay, and let's say you want to add animates using Pixabay. You can design the cards. Pretty easy to design the cards. It's a pretty good deal. Okay, so it's perfect. And then you can preview it. Clicking here. Here's how your card is gonna work. And then you come here to share your cards. And you add, okay, I only have one code, so I can't add an email account. So that's why I say buy at least 2 codes. I need to buy another one, so then I can use my own custom email. I'm gonna send from their default email, my name here, recipient name, Igor Zhao, and I'm gonna add my own email. You can also choose if you want to schedule delivery or if you want to send now. Okay, I'm clicking on send now. Save and add. A recipient is added successfully. Here it is. Recipient number 1. Schedule delivery. Sent. It's done. The cards are on their way. You will receive also your share link, or you can share via social media your cards using WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, etc. Here's the link. The card can't be edited anymore because it was sent. Now I'm gonna see. So here's my email, and you can see here, hey Igor. Igor created a digital card for you. And you click here, and you can see your card here, the email. Igor Pereira made this digital card for you. Your inbox just got a special delivery. View your card online. The person will click here to view the card online, and here is the cards. Clicking here, they can see everything. Okay, that's pretty awesome gift to give to everyone. Greeting cards, it's a great way to communicate with others. I like that you already bought 1 code and I'm planning to buy the second one. I hope you like that review. Thank you so much. Bye bye.